Hey loves, my name is Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I got this super easy 5x5 closure install. It's a bust down middle part, super simple, and I'm kind of focusing this tutorial on people who are installing wigs on themselves. I'm sharing with you guys a few tips and tricks on how to make your installs go a little bit faster. Today's video is sponsored by West Kids Hair. They sent me over this 180% density wig. It's 24 inches in the texture curly wave. And I believe the closure is 5x5, but all the details about the hair will be down below in the description bar, as well as any extra coupon codes and goodies I can get for you guys. So without further ado, if you want to see how I installed my hair, then let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Okay, so this is the wig. I bleached the knots on it, but I haven't customized it at all. I just bleached the knots and I put on, that's the puppy. But I bleached the knots and I put a little bit of John Frieda frizzies in it. So these are the natural curls with no product. I didn't want them to be hard. I wanted it super fluffy, giving very much Eve's Bayou. Okay, if you don't know what that movie is, you're too young to be here. Maybe not. It's grown people who were born in 2001. So I'm gonna mind my business and continue doing this hair. So I want to prepare the front just because I want to slap this wig on, like spray, lay, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and press it back. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I am not the pluckety pluck girl. I like to keep my wigs for a long time. And I feel like once you start over plucking them, they don't last as long. You end up with like bald spots and some more stuff that I just don't have time for. So I didn't pluck this wig, but as you can see, the hairline looks relatively natural. I gave it a quick little rough press, and now I'm applying a little bit of this wax stick, and then I'm gonna go in and actually like give it a real press. And since I'm going for a softer look, I'm not like combing through too far. I'm literally just pressing out the roots. Y'all know I'm not really a fan of hard hair. And if you're new to the channel, then subscribe. Sister girl, thank you. I mean, if you want to, no pressure, but I would appreciate it. Let me bring some positive energy to it. That was a little aggressive. Please subscribe if you would like to. Thanks. But yes, girls, I'm about to go ahead and press this back, and then we're gonna take the baby hair out and press those forward. Cause y'all know I'm scared of the hot comb. So whatever I can hot comb on this wig head, I'm gonna hot comb on this wig head. And then I'm taking my scissors and I'm just trimming off this little doubled piece right along the side of the closure. Getting rid of this piece just allows your wig to lay properly. Okay, so I have my wig cap on and I left my little sideburns out. They are already laid. I ain't trying to waste none of y'all time, okay? I'm trying something new though. I saw people cut off the additional band in the back and kind of place it along like the crown of the head. It's freaking genius because it kind of keeps everything secure. I don't have to worry about sewing anything down the back. I'm obsessed with it, so I did that today. And I applied a little bit of powder to my bald cap already, so we are ready to put our wig on. I'm doing a middle part, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it like normal. The adjustable straps are a little too loose. It's not staying on the way I want, so I'm going in and tightening these. Okay, yeah, that is a lot better. This hair is stunning. I'm just gonna go back in and clip this hair back so we can go ahead and work on the install. We are giving very much it vibes, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray this black even lace wonder spray right in front of my hairline. I'm not spraying it too much on my wig cap because for me, it always lifts my wig cap. I think it's because it's so liquidy. I air dried it a bit, and now we're gonna just lay everything into that spray. And you wanna really press it in. I'm just gonna turn my little mini flat irons on so we can do the baby hair. Taking a little bit of edge control, and I'm just placing that onto the baby hair. And you wanna swoop it right where the closure and the wefts meet. I like to leave the edges of my baby hair kind of flapping up. I think it looks really cute, especially with a curly hair look. I'm not worried about getting them too laid looking. I really just want to get them positioned to where they're covering up my tracks. So I'm taking my elastic band and I'm gonna just place that right over the edges. Okay, so while that is doing its thing, I'm gonna take these clips out and we can go ahead and blend everything else together. So I'm taking my rat tail and attempting to get this part as straight as possible. And I'm just gonna go in with my pressing comb and press everything into place. I always like to start my part on the wig head, but it's hard to get it positioned perfectly. So I just clean it up a little bit once it's on my head, and I'm making sure that I'm really taking my hot comb to smooth out the hair going back. You want to make sure all your tracks are covered, okay? And also that your wig is laying really flat. You do not want a helmet wig, even though I have been very guilty of that activity. I've done it before. Ain't nobody worried about who in Target. I'm taking some of this Perfecting Complexion Stick from Merit Beauty in the color Buff. It's a tinctures lighter than my complexion, and I'm putting this right in that part. I like to do this while my lace is laying down because I don't like to bring the concealer all the way to the front. It's just a personal preference. I feel like it's really obvious when you have concealer on your part in the front. And if you over bleached your knots, you can go in with some root touch up or some eyeshadow, whatever you have on hand, a little mascara. Girl, use whatever is black and what's gonna stay. And you also conceal it in with a little bit of hairspray. But since I'm going for a really easy install, I'm not about to do all of that. And it is time for the reveal. This is the finished look. Super big and curly. The curls are juicy. The lace is laying gorgeously. I love it so much. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.